Hello everyone, we are solving problem number 22, generate parenthesis. So in this problem we have given one integer n and we need to return all the possible parenthesis combinations which are valid. We can make using n opening and n closing brackets. So for this problem we are going to use recursive approach. So let's make one recursive function, and I am going to use string builder instead of string, as when you want to append or add any character to the given string. So in case of string uh, class string, the time complexity for that operation is always O of n, while in case of string builder it's O of 1. So for reducing time complexity and making our solution faster, we are going to use string builder. So string builder, let's call it sb integer n, then number of opening brackets and number of closing brackets. Okay, so we will just make two functions, call the two functions as sb.append. In this case we are going to append opening bracket first, then n is gonna remain as it is, opening number is going to be increased by 1 and closing number is gonna remain as it is. Okay, again in this case we will append our closing bracket and then opening as it is, and in this case closing is going to be increased by 1. Okay, also we need to backtrack for not getting multiple, or let's say well, invalid parentheses, as while coming back from the recursive calls it may add extra unnecessary brackets which is not necessary for our function or our requirement. Okay, so we will just backtrack by sv.setLength, and we will remove the last character every time, sv.length and -1. Okay, so we'll do this again. I will just copy this, paste this. Okay, so now we need to put some base conditions. So if the opening is greater than n, or our closing brackets are greater than n, or at any point of time if opening brackets are lesser than closing brackets. So in this case we will just return, and then again our checkpoint. So in this case if our opening bracket is equal to n and closing brackets are also equal to n, so in this case we will add that string to our list. So I will just make one fabric variable, your result. So we will just add res.add sb.toString. Okay, so let's just call this function. I will initialize result first. So it should be string. Okay, so let's call our dfs function, new string builder, then n as it is, and opening and closing from 0. Okay, and let's just return result. So let's try to run this code. Okay, it's running. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, and it's pretty much faster. You can check it by using string class. You will get more runtime. Okay, thank you.